Hello viewers, welcome back to the Cakers channel. On this channel, we do cake decorating tutorials and share cake decorating tips and tricks. Today I am decorating a floral themed purple, white and gold cake in memory of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. It was just a few weeks ago we had a grand celebration celebrating her 70th year of reigning, and today many hearts are saddened by her death. May her soul rest in peace. I worked with frozen cake layers, and believe me, this was a game changer. My crumb coat set in minutes, and my layers were not sliding off each other while I was stacking the cake. I am now applying my final coat of buttercream to the cake. This is a nice deep lavender purplish color. I wanted it to be bright purple, but that was the best color I could get with all the methods that I tried. So just applying my final coat of buttercream, and as you can see, I'm smoothing it without even putting it in the fridge to chill for some time. Because the cake layers are so cold, the defrosting process is just keeping the buttercream on the outer part of the cake very cold and very easy to work with. My cake will be eaten in a few hours, so no need to refrigerate it again. I'll just set it aside while I work on some edible prints to put on the cake. I rolled out a thin piece of fondant just to make a fondant backing for my edible print to make it more sturdy and look better when applied to the cake. This process also prevents colors from the edible print from bleeding and messing up your cake design. I repeated the same process, and I'm applying an edible image of the queen to some fondant. Here I'm just using this mold to make some little frame edges for the queen's picture. My edible prints are ready to be applied to the cake, so I'm just doing my final buttercream touches. Here I'm using a tip number 32 to create a border around the base of the cake. I am applying my edible prints. I'll add another piping border to the top of the cake. Paint the frames around the picture with some gold, just to put a touch of gold. So purple and gold, the colors of royalty. I'm now finishing off my beautiful cake with some off-white foam roses. Using my piping tip with some frosting again, to just conceal the point of entry of the roses from the back of the cake. My cake needs to look stunning from every angle. This is the final product, and I'm very happy with how this cake came out. Of all the beautiful pictures on the internet of Queen Elizabeth II, I think I chose the perfect picture for this cake. Thank you very much for watching this cake decorating tutorial. Please like this video, share with your friends and family. Please remember to subscribe to this channel for more cake decorating videos. Until next time, keep on baking.